Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be doing something a little different. I'm going to be doing a review on Bondi Boost. So it's this amazing hair brand that has really helped my hair to grow after I cut it at the end of beginning of this year. Like I cut it up to here, and since being pregnant, Bondi Boost has been absolutely amazing. So I'm going to show you my hair growth process over the last month and also talk a little bit about the products and give them a little review. So stay tuned. But before we get started, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, hit that bell button and subscribe to our channel. Before we get too into it, Bondi Boost is vegan friendly and it's also Australian made, and it's made right here, which is absolutely amazing. The bundle that I've been using in my hair is the Multivitamin and Growth Bundle. I will just put the link to that bundle in the description box below. It's absolutely amazing, especially if you want to achieve results in like a short amount of time. Like I really want my hair to be nice and long when I give birth. So I was like, no, why did I cut it? But thank God for Bondi Boost, because it is actually growing so much. And being blonde, it's like really hard to keep your hair thick. And if you like look, like my hair is actually quite thick. Like I've straightened it. So normally it's like curly and quite frizzy. So it's like a lot thicker. And even my ends, like my ends are so healthy. And all I do is I get my regrowth done every 6 weeks. I don't always do a full head. I use my Bondi Boost products in between, and I just get like regular trims here and there. But the health of my hair is absolutely amazing, because I know when you get pregnant, it can sometimes ruin the health of your hair, and it really did at the beginning. And because I was also on thyroid medication, my hair just got kind of like really dry and brittle, and it was just horrible in the first trimester. So I really needed something to help boost my hair. What you get in the bundle is you get the Bondi Boost HG shampoo and conditioner. This shampoo and conditioner, like I just noticed a difference in the way my hair felt straight away. It's got a lot of important ingredients in it, such as argan oil, castor oil, peppermint essence oil, horsetail extract, which is like this really potent extract that's really good for the proteins in your hair. So these are a definite if you want to grow your hair. And I just love that they're like vegan friendly, they're paraben free, they're just like really healthy for you as well, because a lot of products do have a lot of horrible yucky things in them that aren't good for your body, whereas Bondi Boost, all their products are absolutely amazing and they're so great for you. So before I get into washing my hair, I use this product right here. So it's the Bondi Boost Elixir Hair Oil. So now you have to apply this to your roots before you shampoo. And it says to leave it in for 15 minutes. I usually just put it in. I wash my hair in the morning, which is kind of weird, I guess, because a lot of people do it at night. So, you know, while I'm eating breakfast, I'll just pop this in, well, before I eat breakfast. And then I'll wash my hair 15-20 minutes later. And it just really helps to boost the growth of your hair, especially in a short time frame. It's really good to brush your hair with this before you shower as well, because it will prevent your hair getting knotty. And one thing that I've learned is you do not want to have knotty wet hair, because that's how a lot of hair breaks. Like you get a lot of breakage. So definitely put this in. I'd brush my hair before usually, and then I put this in, brush it through, just leave it in there, and then I shampoo it and condition. So the other product that I use in my Bondi Boost hair care routine is this amazing product. Oh my God, I just love the smell of it. So it's their leave-in mask, miracle mask. So what I do is I usually do this on a Friday. Oh my God, it smells so good. So after you wash your hair, you pop this bad boy in after you've towel dried, and you leave it in for 15 minutes, and then you wash it out. Or what I like to do is I like to leave this one in overnight. So I'll wash my hair, towel dry it, then I'll put this in my hair, and then you can put like a hot warm towel around it, and then sleep in this, and then when you wash it out the next day, your hair will be like, believe me, it'll feel amazing. And it's really good for helping boost that hair growth. So all these products have special ingredients, natural ingredients that will help boost hair growth, because it's really important to have healthy, strong hair for it to grow, because then it'll just break. So some of the ingredients that they use in this is jojoba oil, macadamium oil. So these are all amazing oils. I cannot actually stop smelling this. I have a problem. Lucky it's vegan and natural, and I can smell this, and it's not going to harm me or Georgie. yeah, so it's got all those amazing, just nourishing oils that are really good for growth. Like if you Google any of them, they're good for everything. They're good for your skin, they're good for your hair. They're just really like natural, amazing ingredients. So I'm gonna put my little lid back on there. So, and it's just such a nice little relaxing treatment to do as well. Before bed, like I love that. So the next thing that I use in my hair treatment is the Bondi Boost Intensive Spray. Now this is a leave-in treatment. I usually put this in after I've washed my hair before I straighten it. I'll just like spray my hair and roots with it. You can use it once a day. I probably use it like 3 times a week. I have quite thick hair, so it's really good. It doesn't make my hair oily or anything like that. But yeah, I probably on average put it in 3 times a week, and it just makes my hair like really shiny and nice, and it really helps boost that hair growth. I just find that this really rejuvenates my scalp, and before I straighten my hair or blow dry it even, like I'll towel dry it, I'll spray it in. I just feel like it's going to protect my hair too. So this is a really good little treatment. Even when you're at the beach, I spray this in my hair, and I just feel like it makes my hair softer, like it just doesn't go so like brittle. So this is a great little travel companion too, and I highly recommend it. And lastly, the other treatment is the Bondi Boost Hair Growth Support Vegan Capsules. Now, you actually can have these while you're pregnant and breastfeeding. You do have to consult with your doctor if you are on any vitamins. So I can still use these, and I just find that it also helps with hair growth. So you take 2 capsules a day with food. Combine the shampoo, the conditioner, the hair elixir oil prior to shampoo and conditioning, the mask once a week. You have your capsules, and you protect your hair with the intensive spray. I can like guarantee you like 100% that your hair will grow and it'll be nice, thick and healthy. I mean, you can go on their website. They have so many reviews. Like in like a short month, like I'm gonna pop up right now my before photo. So it's right here. And like, it's like for blonde hair and for being like pregnant, so all like the baby's taking out all the nutrients, like it's grown so much. Like I legit cut it up to here, and the back was even shorter. So the fact that I can put it in a ponytail now, like I remember when I first cut it, I could not. Like it's grown so much. So hopefully it'll just keep going. And once Georgie is born, I am going to be even more crazy about my hair routine, because that's when all your hair falls out when you're breastfeeding. So it's amazing. I'm really happy with these products. I mean, there's a lot of things out there on the market that don't work, but Bondi Boost is amazing. And I think because it is just so natural, it is really great for your hair. So yeah, to all the mums out there that are feeling like their hair is like so bad during pregnancy, get on Bondi Boost. Even if you just do the shampoo and conditioner, you will see a difference. These are all the products I would recommend. I think you kind of need it all. Like the elixir before is just really good for the roots, and I think if you want your hair to grow quickly, Bondi Boost is the way to go, and it's totally safe. So that's like the main thing when you're pregnant. Like you're always like, oh my god, can I do that? Is it safe? It's completely safe. If you don't see any results in a month, they'll give you your money back, which is absolutely amazing. So you have like nothing to lose. But I can guarantee you will definitely see results. My mum, she like even stole because we're living at my parents' house, she was like stealing my shampoo and conditioner. She's like, my hair's really growing. Like, she was so shocked. I cannot believe my before photo. So I think by the time Georgie gets here, my hair's gonna grow heaps. So yeah, as I was saying, it's Aussie made, which I love. I love supporting Australian businesses, and it's cruelty free. So it's absolutely amazing, and it has good for you ingredients, which is like super important, because I feel like so many products don't, and it has none of that nasty, like horrible, harsh chemicals. And being blonde as well, you have to be careful. And I found like my color, if anything, is looking better than ever. Like my hair is shiny. I like get compliments on my hair. So that has to be because of Bondi Boost. So make sure you get on it if you want to like grow your hair, or just even have healthier hair. Like my hair is more radiant, like glowy, thicker, healthier. It's just sitting better. So definitely get onto Bondi Boost. They have bundles to suit everyone for all their hair growth needs. I think that's all that I've got for you guys today. I will be keeping you updated on my Insta stories as well of my hair growth. So you saw my before and this is my current after. I think in a month from now it'll grow even more, so I cannot wait to show you. I'm hoping it's like here. So yes, definitely I'll keep you guys updated across Instagram. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. I'm linking this bundle because I think it's the absolute best bundle. Like, it has everything. It's got the shampoo, the conditioner, the hair mask, the intensive treatment before the hair growth, capsules, and spray. Like, the spray is so important because I just put that in my hair and I love it. So make sure you check them out. Yes, I have all the details below. Thank you for watching my product review today. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up. It's a great product. I fully approve of it. Go crazy, especially to my pregnant mamas out there, because I know it's so hard to find products. Make sure, yeah, you like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you here next time on the condos with Nick, and I will do some more reviews if this is what you like, some videos without Nick. I'll review hair products, makeup, things that I've been using on my skin, hair, and yeah. So I'll see you here next time. Bye. Thank you guys so much for watching.